Every developer right now is panicking about the same thing. AI is going to take my job. So they are rushing to learn AI. Machine learning courses, prompt engineering, LangChain, RAG, whatever the latest buzzword is. And I'm not saying don't learn AI. Learn it, use it. I use it every day. But here is what nobody's telling you: the skills that will actually keep you irreplaceable. They have nothing to do with AI. They have nothing to do with any specific technology, and most developers completely ignore them. Today, I am going to tell you what those skills actually are. From what I have personally seen, separate the developers who get replaced from the ones who become unreplaceable. Skill number one, and this is the big one: system design thinking. AI can write code really well. You tell it, write me an API for user authentication, and it will generate clean, functional code in seconds. But ask AI, should this be a monolith or microservices? Should we use SQL or no SQL for this use case? How do we handle 50,000 concurrent users during a flash sale? What happens if this service goes down? What's the fallback? AI does not know because these are not coding questions, these are thinking questions. They require understanding the business, the scale, the constraints, the trade offs. And this is exactly what companies pay 20, 30, 40 lakhs for. Not for someone who can write a REST API. AI does that for free now. For someone who can design the system that the API lives in. I'll be honest, I did not understand the value of system design until embarrassingly late in my career. I thought coding was everything, but the developers I have seen grow the fastest, they are the ones who can zoom out, who can look at the whole picture instead of just their ticket in Jira. AI sees tree, it cannot see the forest. If you can see the forest, you are irreplaceable. Skill number two: debugging. And I don't mean fixing a red squiggly line in your IDE. I mean real debugging, production debugging, the kind where something breaks at 11 p.m., users are affected, your manager is pinging you, and you have to figure out what went wrong in a system with 15 different services talking to each other. I have tried using AI for this. You know what happens? You paste the error log, AI gives you 5 possible causes, and maybe one of them is relevant, but it does not know that your team changed the database connection pooling config last week. It does not know that the payment gateway has been flaky since Tuesday. It does not know that this exact bug happened 3 months ago and was caused by a race condition in the order service. You know all of that because you have context, you have history, you have the institutional knowledge that comes from actually working on the system for months or years. AI can debug textbook problems, it cannot debug your system. That requires a human who knows the system inside out, and that human is incredibly valuable. Skill number three: communication. And every time I bring this up, developers roll their eyes. I'm a coder, not a writer, but listen to me. The number one thing that separates a 10 LPA developer from a 30 LPA developer is not their coding speed, it's their ability to explain complex technical decisions to people who don't write code. Your product manager does not care about your database indexing strategy. They care about, will the app be faster for users? Your client does not care about your microservices architecture. They care about, will the system handle the Diwali sale without crashing? Translating technical work into business impact, that's a human skill. AI can generate documentation, sure, but it cannot sit in a call with an angry client and calmly explain why the migration will take 3 weeks instead of one, and why rushing it would be worse for everyone. I have seen brilliant developers get stuck at the same level for years because they could not communicate their work. And I have seen average developers get promoted fast because they could. Unfair, maybe, but real. Skill number four, and this one is subtle, but it might be the most important: asking the right questions. Think about what AI does. You give it a question, it gives you an answer. But here is the catch: AI never asks you a question. It never says, wait, are you sure this is the right problem to solve? Have you considered this other approach? Why are we building this feature at all? The best developers I have worked with are not the ones with the best answers. They are the ones who ask questions that nobody else thought to ask. Why are we building this? What happens if we don't build this? Is this the simplest way to solve this problem? Who is actually going to use this and what do they really need? These questions save teams weeks of wasted work. They prevent bad features from being built. They redirect entire projects in the right direction. AI will never do this because AI is designed to answer, not to question. A developer who asks the right question at the right time is worth more than 10 developers who just execute blindly. And the last one, ownership. The ability to take responsibility for an outcome, not just a task. AI can complete a ticket, it can write the code, pass the test, generate the PR, but AI does not care if the feature actually solves the user problem. AI does not care if the code it wrote creates tech that will haunt the team for 2 years. AI does not feel the weight of this decision affects thousands of users. Ownership means the feature I shipped did not just work, it was the right thing to build. And if it was not, I take responsibility and fix it. That requires judgment. And judgment comes from experience, from understanding the business, from caring about the outcome, not just the output. No AI has judgment. No AI has ownership. And honestly, a lot of developers don't either. The ones who do, they are the ones who will never be replaced by AI or by anyone. So, look, I'm not telling you to stop learning technical skills. Keep doing their say, keep learning new frameworks, keep writing code. That stuff matters. But if that's all you are building, if you are only getting better at things AI is also getting better at, then you are in a race. You are going to lose because AI improves faster than you. Instead, build the skills AI cannot touch: system design, debugging real systems, communication, asking the right questions, taking ownership. These are all the skills that made senior developers valuable before AI, and they are the exact same skills that make developers irreplaceable after AI. The tools will keep changing, the skills that matter won't. If this video helped you see things a little differently, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.